All right, slightly late. Slightly late. I had to do some customer service and answer some DMs before I could or not, yeah, messages on Telegram. Got a bit distracted, but yeah. Yeah. Did my 5 a.m. run. Got everything done this morning. Just cold shower, reading, just uh this what's it called? I lost my words. Just had to answer some messages, so I'm a little bit late with my pre-market analysis. Far, I'm not seeing anything. Not really interested in an area, maybe. Oh, I am, I think. Hold up. The previous daily highs up here. Let's break it down from the daily. So, what can we see? This was yesterday's candle here. So we got the indecisive candle on Friday, the bearish candle that opened slightly higher on Monday. We got that high. We built some liquidity here, but essentially we left this wick and we closed fairly bearish, indicating that we might continue down. No large break to the downside. Now, then we got this stronger bearish candle, but with a wick below previous weekly low. So that might indicate that we get a little turnaround or a little slowdown. And now I'm not expecting anything, but I'm seeing price coming lower now. Whether we broke, we broke bearish here. I don't know why this is off. We broke bearish here, but it's not the strongest break yet. We can see that this turnaround is not like after we took those lows, it's not really strong. We got a little liquidity building up over here. As I said, we broke bearish on this structure, and I will look for sells in this premium, and I would look for buys below this low, below these lows. This is also Asia low over here, I think. So, pretty straightforward. What are we looking for? What is my highest probability? Just based on EU, we can see some liquidity here as well. Sorry. So if I go to the 15-minute, there's not much liquidity here, and we got these lows. So for me, highest probability areas is low here. All those lines, let's make that one a bit thicker. So below here, actually, I am actually quite interested in this area as well. But then I want to see like a proper clean price action. Why? Because we got this break to the upside here. We swept these lows. Sorry. Still struggling with that 5 a.m. It makes me tired, but it's good. I like it. And at the same time, I woke up this morning and just immediately got dressed, went for a run. And when I was running, I felt like I was still sleeping. So, but yeah. So then we get this sweep, and the thing is, we got these lows here. So this high probability, and only if we get them like world's cleanest price action, I'm looking for a buyer. Otherwise, I might just ignore it. I don't need to enter here, even if my entry drill plays out. Well, yeah, it kind of a bit tricky with that. This is not the cleanest area, as there's not really any internal range liquidity. Now, if we go to the 5-minute, it's just a pump down. Not really any, how do you say, any early sellers or early buyers for now. Got some minor equals forming Asia high. And we got our Asia low over here, but I think we can just take that low. However, we use the indicator for now. interesting. Just before the Asia high low, we get that liquidity grab and then the turnaround. So actually, this is my. I would use this one. No, I would use this one. And target wise, so let's say there's a short entry. I can target this one because then you have a little bit more breathing room towards this area in case this one doesn't get taken. However, trading wise, if you want to look for longs, I would wait for this. Well, in this case, we have these lows over here. We got New York low as well. So I'll wait for both to be taken. But in case like there was only this price action and this didn't exist or was up here, then I would have waited for this low to be taken and then along and not this one because this is shit. Now where can we trade from? Let's go to the 1 hour. We can see got this break, got this supply zone over here. Here you go. So I like that area to look for shorts. And of course, above here, we got this 1 hour PY. That still seems valid to me as well. I think inside there, we have a 15-minute supply zone. Kind of, a little bit higher, but that's decent. So these two areas, I'm looking for shorts. I know that we have equals above here. Gotta keep that in mind as well. But yeah, for now we broke bearish, so this is the range I'm playing now. This low, oh my bad. This high, so we got equals here as well, down to this low. And this is my 1 hour supply zone. Now, according to my rules, I want to wait. I need a 15-minute break. Oh, oops. I need a 50-minute break. Actually, hold up. I've been freestyling a little bit. So yeah, 1 hour mitigation, 50%. I can look for a 5-minute break. Ideally, when we don't reach that, the 50%, I want to look for a 5-minute/15-minute break. However, we got multiple order blocks, PYs inside this supply zone. So I'll just keep eyeing both and maybe add that as an additional confluence. Remember, this is all 1 hour price action. So yeah, that's what I'm looking at. Ideally, longs from here or even below here because we got the trend line. And if we come here, I don't see why this would hold. Now let me check something because I was looking at this candle and I'm actually curious what that looked like. Okay, so that's mitigated on every feed. That's good. So that's being covered. High probability 1, high probability 2. Not the highest probability, but might try it because of that bullish order flow that's being formed after taking a previous weekly low. Got equals above here, so that's why this area is very interesting as well. Now, if we come here, you do want to keep in mind that we got equals here and overall relative 1, 2, 3 equal highs plus 2 previous weekly highs. Well, yeah, that's just the label I gave to it. DXY, where are we? What are we doing? So yesterday I said this price action is quite strange, and it is. And we broke above here. However, we are still inside this how do you say, inside this bear structure. Sorry. And as long as this stays valid with this bearish break, and we got the equals here, I can see us maybe come a little bit deeper, maybe come above. Oh, hold up. We get this supply zone. So maybe come into that. Actually, come above here. And then get a potential turnaround. Now, trick because we get this one as well. So we got a 50-minute for value gap over here. Also got one here though, but yeah, on the 1 hour, this liquidity line, it's more visible, sorry. So DXY might come higher, meaning EU grabbing this liquidity here, which makes this a low probability area for now. But yeah, because it still has a 50-minute structure here. So that makes it quite valid to still look for trades. But that would mean that we sorry, that this structure would hold as well. This 50-minute structure that's currently going on, and I don't see that hold right now. If you look at this, we filled this. Yeah, I don't see it holding. So might soon see EU rejecting this area or invalidating this area. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. That's my analysis. Essentially, my pre-market analysis is below here, above here, or so that those are the highest probabilities, and then really, 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 really clean price action. I might look for a buy here, but not really sure about that. All right, we'll do GU now. Peace out.